Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale WordPress sites with WP Engine step by step clearly. First, visit the WP Engine website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you've registered, log in to your WP Engine dashboard. Navigate to the Sites tab located on the left sidebar. Here, click on the Add Site button to create a new WordPress site. Follow the prompts to select your desired environment type, choose from staging or production. After configuring the settings, click Create Site to finalize the process. Once your site is created, you'll be directed to the Site Details page. Scroll down to access the Site Information section for key details like domain and IP address. Next, install WordPress by clicking the Install WordPress button. Once the installation is complete, click on the Access Site button to check your new WordPress site. To scale your site, navigate back to your site dashboard. Locate the Performance tab to explore WP Engine's built-in performance features. Enable page caching to boost your site's loading speed. Next, consider enabling CDN4 global content delivery to enhance user experience. Check the Global Edge security option to add a layer of security against attacks. If your site gets a surge in traffic, utilize the auto-scaling feature for resource management. Monitor your site's performance using the Analytics tools available under the Analytics tab. Consider upgrading your plan if you anticipate continuous growth in site traffic. To further improve scalability, implement database optimizations under the Database section. Regularly backup your site to safeguard against data loss by using the Backup feature. Finally, stay informed about updates and features by checking the WP Engine blog and resources. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effectively scaling your WordPress sites with WP Engine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.